This is the database channel. I just played background music, which was performed using a virtual string instrument. This music is Final Fantasy Prelude, composed by Nobuo Uematsu. In the introduction video, I mentioned that the first theme of this channel is to create virtual instruments to help viewers understand physics and mathematics. The sound you just heard was synthesized, taking into account the vibration of strings and their resonance. Each individual sound can be created using this web application. There is a lot of noise, and I believe this is due to not considering the propagation of sound through the air when converting vibration into sound. In the future, we aim to create sounds that are even closer to reality. This sound was synthesized by calculating the motion of the string and its resonance. Now, there is an announcement in this video. So far, I have uploaded 3 videos. Introduction, Particle Motion Part 1, and Part 2. However, I feel that I haven't explained the physics of particle motions very well. Therefore, I plan to remake the videos. I want to enhance the whiteboard drawing functions a bit more and explain physics using illustrations as much as possible. Additionally, I plan to separate explanations involving formulas into a different video. This whiteboard is also used in university classes. Although this channel is unofficial and unrelated to the university, I want to apply what I practice here to my university classes. I have deleted Particle Motion Part 1 and 2. The introduction video is still available, but I also plan to remake it. This video's main purpose is the announcement, but I'll also introduce a new web application. This one is about the motion of particle under gravity. Since it's an opportunity, I've prepared it into something you can play as a game. First, please write your nickname. You can proceed with a blank space as well. This is a game where you try to throw the ball as far as possible. The distances will be ranked, and by entering your nickname, you can see where your record stands. To begin, determine the direction to throw the ball using this circle. You can change direction by dragging the pointing device or swiping the touchscreen. Once the direction is set, drag or swipe the red circle within this square. The faster you move it, the higher the initial velocity. Now, let's give it a try. The ball will be launched like this, and distance will be recorded. You can access this whiteboard from the description box, so feel free to challenge this game. Representing virtual spaces like this is one of the goals of this channel. I use a lot of mathematics here. This web application doesn't use external scripts, allowing us to explain its detailed operational principles. Alongside virtual instruments, I aim to use virtual spaces for explanations in physics and mathematics. This concludes today's video. I have removed the videos for particle motion part 1 and part 2, but I'll leave the web applications used in those videos available here. The first one represents one-dimensional motion under gravity, where gravity remains constant. The second one considers the height dependence of gravity using the law of universal gravitation. If you move this ball as possible, the ball can escape the gravitational constraint. The following application represents the two-dimensional motion of a particle. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.